There are truths about life that people avoid because they hurt. They shake you, they force you to grow. But chosen ones, awakened ones, people who are ready for transformation, they learn to face these truths head on. Not because it's easy, but because nothing changes until you confront what you've been running from. Today you will hear 10 harsh truths that few have the courage to face, but everyone needs to understand. The first truth is this: nobody's coming to save you. Not your family, not your friends, not society. Your life changes the moment you realize you are responsible for what you become. Freedom begins when excuses end. The second truth: you will be misunderstood. Especially if you think differently, move differently, or grow faster than the people around you. Some will judge you, some will envy you. Some will distance themselves. That's not a sign that you're wrong. It's a sign that you're evolving. The third truth is that growth is painful. Healing hurts before it helps. Transformation feels like breaking before it feels like rebuilding. Most people avoid growth because they want comfort more than change. But comfort never created anything extraordinary. Truth number 4: time doesn't stop for anyone. People waste years waiting for the right moment, the right opportunity, the right feeling. Meanwhile, life keeps moving. If you don't take action, you'll wake up one day realizing you lived more in your mind than in the real world. Truth 5: not everyone you love will stay. Some will leave because they outgrow you, others because you outgrow them. People change, seasons change, life changes. Letting go is part of surviving emotionally and spiritually. Holding on to the wrong people is one of the fastest ways to delay your destiny. The sixth truth is that failure is inevitable. You will fall, you will break, you will make bad decisions. But failure isn't the opposite of success, and it's part of it. Every person who became great first walked through a valley of mistakes, losses, and disappointments. What matters is not the fall, but what you do after it. Truth number 7: life is unfair. Some people are born with advantages, others start from nothing. Some get chances you will never get. But focusing on fairness won't take you anywhere. You play with the cards you have, not the cards you wish you had. Power comes from using what's in your hands, not complaining about what isn't. Truth 8: discipline beats motivation. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is a system. Motivation can vanish. Discipline stays. People who win are not the ones who feel like doing it. They are the ones who do it anyway. Consistency builds a life that emotion alone never will. Truth 9: you won't be loved by everyone. And the more authentic you become, the more people will dislike you. That's because truth confronts, light exposes, and purpose disrupts comfort. You were never meant to please the world. You were meant to become who you were created to be. And the 10th harsh truth: life will test you before it blesses you. Every breakthrough comes with pressure. Every blessing comes with responsibility. Every elevation comes with isolation. God will stretch you, prepare you, and refine you before He trusts you with what's yours. The bigger the calling, the heavier the training. These 10 truths are not meant to discourage you. They are meant to wake you, to pull you out of the illusion that life should be easy, fair, or comfortable. Because the moment you accept these truths, you become unstoppable. Nothing shocks you, nothing breaks you permanently. You begin to walk with the strength of someone who understands the rules of life instead of fighting them. And here's the part most people miss. These harsh truths do not make life darker. They make it clearer. Because when you stop expecting the world to carry you, you finally learn to carry yourself. When you stop seeking validation, you finally discover your identity. When you stop fearing pain, you finally embrace purpose. There is also a truth people refuse to accept. Most of your suffering comes from the stories you tell yourself, not from what actually happened. The mind exaggerates pain, invents fears, and repeats memories that no longer exist. You relive wounds that should have healed simply because you keep reopening them in your thoughts. Life becomes lighter the moment you stop feeding the emotions that are draining you. Healing begins when you take control of your inner narrative. Another harsh truth is that not everyone wants to see you win. Some people smile at you but feel threatened by your growth. Life is not easy, but it is meaningful. It is raw, but it is beautiful. And the moment you face these truths without fear, you step into a new level of maturity, clarity, and spiritual strength. Motivation you need, where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.